Dear friends, today we are now landing into the next part of the legislation, that is mineral concession rules. This is also a subordinate legislation for this MMDR, that is like you have Mines Act. For Mines Act you have regulations, rules, then MVTR, then all these things, no, they are known as subordinate legislation. The act is the boss. In the same manner, MMDR Act is the boss. Under that, MCDR, Mineral Concession and Development Rules, and Mineral Concession Rules, and Evidence of Mineral, all these things come, and in future, if any further law comes under this pretext, it will be added in that. So, Mineral Concession, that's why we have given the lesson number 4 under MMDR. Please go ahead. This, I think, around 2 or 3 lessons will be there. After that, this MMDR will be over. Then forest we have completed. Then we will go to the main mineral legislation, that is your EC we will go, environmental clearance. Friends, the mineral concession rules, only some important points we are worth noting, because more or less all these things, 3 together, if you read like any other law, it looks as if he is only repeating the same thing here and there and here, but it has some difference. So for you to avoid confusion, some important points I am giving. Out of all this, you will be lucky if you get some 2-3 bits or points. So let us see. The mineral concession rules, important points we are giving. The composite license I have already explained you. There are 3 parts. One is reconnaissance permit, second is prospecting license, third is the mining lease. So the combination of prospecting license and mining lease is known as the composite license. Means not to avoid, not to have waste of time and other things. These two are composited. Now, under this, one of the important definitions is what is illegal mining. If I ask you, sir, what is illegal mining? You will say, sir, चोरी करके माल ले जाना. You will be doing some theft and taking the material without permit or selling it without any permission, all that. But under mineral concession rules, illegal mining means not doing reconnaissance or prospecting or violating the rules also is illegal mining. Not that you will be doing illegal mining while doing the mining of the deposit. Say, let us say in prospecting lease, you have been asked not to cut the trees. Say you have cut the trees without permission. That is also known as illegal mining. You can't call it illegal prospecting. So they call it as illegal mining. So illegal mining covers all these things. Now let us say, I have got some 4 mines. And 3 mines are running nicely. 4th mine I have done some illegal work. Now meanwhile I have also taken some permission on reconnaissance permit and also mining lease. Now, you cannot call me an offender or illegal miner because I have done illegal mining in some other case. Okay? So, जिस चीज़ की सजा उधर ही लगना चाहिए. Whatever punishment is there, whatever law is applicable, is only in the place where that illegal mining is done, or rather illegal prospecting, illegal reconnaissance, whatever you say. Okay? So that is the definition of illegal mining under mineral concession rules, and shall not include other violations. That is what I explained you. What is ROM? Run of mine, all of you know. And some people confuse run of mine with the beneficiated material. Let us say you blast the material, bring the material and sell it as it is, the blasted mall. It is known as the run of mine. Even if you crush it once, it is not ROM. You forget beneficiation, forget screening, everything. Even if you crush it, it is not ROM. Okay? So ROM is the raw form of the blasted material. Now, next important point. You see, all these points are not related. Actually, the entire MCR is got some pages of 20-30 pages with around 40-50 forms and other things. So I have picked up some important points which may be useful for you. Okay, now, whenever you go for reconnaissance permit or application for after recognitions, what you will do? You will go for prospecting license or prospecting license come mining lease. Within 3 months of completion of reconnaissance permit, you should apply for it. What do you mean by completion of reconnaissance permit? Whatever are the conditions in reconnaissance permit shall be fulfilled and a report has to be submitted. इसका मतलब जब भी आपको रिकग्निशंस परमिट मिलता है उसमें लिखा रहेगा आप पेड़ नहीं काटना, आप इतने फीट से ज़्यादा नहीं करना, आप फलाना ठिकाना इंस्ट्रूमेंट चलाना, आप ये करना वो नहीं करना, ये यू कैन डू दिस, यू कैन नॉट डू दैट. All the conditions have to be fulfilled. You have to submit the reports, you have to preserve the material, all that will be there. No, all that if it is fulfilled, then you are eligible for PLML or only PL. It should be applied within 3 months of the completion of reconnaissance. Moment you give reconnaissance report and apply for PL or PLML, within 3 days they have to give you the acknowledgement. The state government, you have to apply it to state government. Although the mineral belongs to central government, can be group A, group B or scheduled for all these minerals, you forget that. Even if they are there, you have to go through state government. That I made it clear to you. Now, let us now talk about the only our state government minerals. Within 3 days, they are supposed to give you the acknowledgement. Why 3 days? तुरंत थप्पा लगा के क्यों नहीं देते? Because they have to check whether you have submitted all the documents or not. List. That's why it is needed. Now, if the reconnaissance permit conditions are fulfilled, within 60 days you have to be given the prospecting lease. Within 60 days. Unless there is an objection. Like they may say, sir, falana page mein in so and so page and so report you have not given these details, please furnish. Gaya, that many days, again you have to submit. Agar all these, if the things are not there, then within 60 days your prospecting license shall be given after the reconnaissance permit. If it is under state government, okay. If it is under central government, then the state government should forward it to the central government. And central government within 120 days should communicate back. अभी आप एक बार सोचिए, why people are sad in India? They are really sad. Let me tell you openly. Some fellow comes, he wants to invest. आने के बाद लंबे चौड़े prospecting करना है, उसको घुमा फिरा के थंग कर देगा. That is the fact. If some of the people who are concerned with it are listening, please accept it heartily. It is the fact. Some drawing they will not find. Again he will go back. Then again, for state government to communicate the PL, do they need 2 months? 2 months literally. That too provided if they don't put any query. In central government they need 6 months. After spending crores of rupees, can't it be scrutinized by technical team? How much time it takes? Yes, given or not, okay, this document is given, this is not given, this report is like that, okay, this can be given or not given. 120 days, this is my opinion, okay, personal opinion, but it is too much. Anyway, now the things may be different. Single window, double window, all that are okay, I don't know because I have never applied. Within one more thing you see here, state government has given it to central government within 30 days or 60 days. Again central government will take 120 days. Now after it comes back from central government, permission to communicate it needs 60 days. Now tell me, may 6 months gone, there 1 month gone, 7 to 8 months are going only for you to get the prospecting license after you complete the reconnaissance. Meanwhile, some big man should not put pressure. साहब उसका वो तो बेकार कंगाल आदमी है, हमको दे दीजिए. All these things take place generally. That's why the investors are worried. Small investors are always worried. Firstly, they don't know the rules. Secondly, because of all this, they get vexed. Now, okay, forget it. That's my opinion. It can be your opinion also. After getting PL, prospecting lease, मिल गया. After all these 120 days, 180 days, you got PL. You have to get all NOCs from forest, gearest, whatever you require for conducting PL. Then for 0.25% of the resource value estimated shall be paid as a fees. Let us say the bank guarantee for resource value, let the resource value be 100 crores, the mineral value, resource value means mineral value. The 100 crores may say you have to give 0.25%. What is 25%? That is 25 crores. What is 2.5%? 2.5 crores. What is 0.25%? 0.25 crores. That is 25 lakhs has to be paid for every 100 crores. Prospecting license deed within for 90 days you have to execute. You see the procedure. Again there is a 90 days apart from 180 days. If you go on the 180 first day or 180 second day, वो बोलेगा साहब बाद में आइए. Then after prospecting is complete, again within 3 months mining lease, extension of 6 months permitted, application of 5 lakh rupees per square kilometer you have to pay, and mining lease application granted or rejected will be known only after 30 days. Okay, 30 days looks reasonable. Why? They have to go through all the documents. But that 120 and 180 days is not proper. For central government cases, security deposit 0.5%, whatever 0.25 I told, that is for state government cases. It is for central government cases. Okay? Part A, Part B, Part C minerals and Scheduled 4. Mining operations, okay, you got mining lease. Excellent. After that, you cannot start mining operation. You have to get your EC, CFE and CFO. That takes, if it is a big land, again public hearing, all this. Now, while doing public hearing with mining plan, it will take another 2-3 months. Collector has to give time. All these operations more than 5 hectares have to go for public hearing as per the present law of environmental clearance. So it will gone, another 6 months gone. That's why people say, दो साल साइड में रखना ही है. You have to wait for 2 years for a bigger land. Well, that's why people are trying to apply less than 5 hectares and get it done through state government quickly. To some extent, state governments, they work faster. Whatever are the reasons. Because people are known to them, local pressures, governmental restrictions. Even state governments want revenue, so they want quick applications. They want to attract outsiders. Whatever are the reasons, this is the why the state governments they go. I know some cases they go to central committee. I belong to state committee. I belong to state committee of Andhra Pradesh. In central committee, some cases take years together to get easy. Not mining lease and other things. You forget all that is over. That has taken already 2 years. For one large area, I know it has taken 1 year, 6 months. Anyway, that is the rule. I cannot comment on anything without knowing it. Then PLML conditions. What is PLML? Prospecting lease cum mining lease conditions. Here, whenever you do prospecting, you need to take out some material for checking whether it is a good grade or bad grade, whether it is nice or not. Otherwise, you cannot really do mining. So, when you take the material, it should be used for non-commercial purpose. You should not mine it. साहब बहुत खर्च हो गया साहब, एक 200 ton, let me sell. No, you cannot sell. You have to use it for non-commercial. What is non-commercial purpose? Testing, pilot plant testing and all these things. Samples, you have to make some chemical analysis, all that, okay? Whereas in case of limestone, they permit you 500 tons. This is at free of cost. Whatever I am telling you now is free of cost. There are some limits for other minerals. They are given in Schedule 3, I think. Please check it. In the same concession rules. If you want more, sometimes your testing may require more, but then you have to pay the royalty and take. Clear? So until certain amount, it is free. Above that, you have to pay royalty. Extra quantities issued by state government, you have to pay royalty. You have to restore the land after prospecting. Restore matlab satyanash kiya to you will have to level it. Dumps and other things you have to clear it. All the trenches and pits you have to take your records, photos, everything and then close them. And all bushes, undergrowth should not be touched. You can only touch some plant and pruning, that is, you can cut some small bushes only for line of sight of survey instruments and for positioning the machinery. And you should not cause starving of water for local needs. What are local needs? For animals to drink, for cultivation, or people, villagers may be using for drinking water. Such water you cannot draw and cause them starve. Okay, if there is sufficient water, Panchayat will permit you. This is also one of the concession rules. Within 6 months of completion of prospecting lease, you have to plug all the holes, close. Now, one thing I don't know, even now I didn't understand. In fact, I asked some RCOM, sir, why do you need 6 months waiting time? Before that, if somebody falls, while they retract from there, can't they plug the boreholes? There was no answer. He told साहब वो तो कानून है, हम क्या करेंगे? But we are telling them to close it. Okay, anyway, within 6 months you have to plug all the holes. Plug means close them. Then, under force majeure conditions, your extension of PL is given. What is force majeure? जो आपके हाथ में नहीं है, oh my God पिक्चर वाला, earthquake, pandemic, epidemic, lightning, explosion, civil commotion, insurrection. What is civil commotion? Civil commotion means civilians rebelling against. Bhagwan ki kripa se Indians are not that bad. In African countries it frequently takes place. Civil commotion takes place, or military will go ahead. That is on strikes, that is in our country is very common earlier, if not now. Insurrection means government ko gira dena. All public or military will go. They, by God's grace, it is not with us. Earthquakes, lightning. Pandemics means what is going on now. The difference between pandemic and epidemic is it contained to certain country or some area. Pandemic to matlab har ek country, like what is going on. Under that conditions, they will give you permission. And if you find a new mineral, say you have prayed for iron ore, you suddenly found manganese. Within 60 days, you have to inform to the state government in writing. Why 60 days? Here it is genuine. You have to test, no? If you have got only this much manganese in the entire 100 hectares lease, does it make any sense to report to them? So you will further check for manganese and it takes time. Friends, we will continue in part 5. And those people who have enrolled in mining plan, tomorrow or at most day after tomorrow, you will be given the second lesson with very big exercises. And on next Sunday, that is on 1st of August, we are having a live webinar of this mining plan. Even now, any people want to join can join, because many people joined like that. That lessons, old lessons also will be available for them. Actually, I didn't want to give it like that because now I have kept even videos in that for listening. Anyway, good luck. Thank you.